Once you've unboxed your Ally, setup is dead simple. Turn on your Ally using the power button on the top of the device. You'll be greeted with the Windows welcome screen. You can use the touchscreen to tap the next button and go through the setup process. Alternatively, use the right stick to move the cursor on the screen just like a mouse. Use the right shoulder button to click. You can also highlight options with the D-pad and use the A button to select. The left joystick can also be used to navigate the menu with the A button to select. To type text, just tap the text box and use the on-screen keyboard that appears. Once you're done setting up your device, Armoury Crate will launch and you can explore other settings. Now's a great time to set up your fingerprint for quick logins with Windows Hello. Just open Windows Settings and go to Accounts, Sign-in Options, Fingerprint Recognition, and tap Setup. Like that, you're ready to grab your favorite launchers, install some games, and get playing.